French toast.
French toast?
Plot twist.
I mean, who doesn't like French toast? It's a classic. I love cinnamon and bananas, so I'm gonna do my rendition of bananas Foster French toast with a rum and praline sauce and maple and bourbon glazed bacon. The bacon is going in the oven, and I'm gonna make the custard for the French toast. So it's eggs, milk and cream, sugar, some cinnamon, and vanilla.
Have you taken a look around, Bobby? The audience, I got them some T-shirts. I just say that anyone that shows up with these T-shirts at a mall fee in Las Vegas, that they should get a free appetizer.
I love it.
And a free ride in your private jet. Y'all give it up for Bobby Flavorless. Delicious.
Brioche is a really good bread for French toast because it will sort of soak up the custard that you let it sit in. You should let the French toast soak for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Otherwise, it's gonna be dry. And I'm gonna make a glaze out of bourbon and maple syrup for the bacon.
I do love pecans and French toast.
And I smell bacon.
What's in that pan, Bobby? Is that bread that you burned?
Bacon. I totally forgot the bacon.
You burned bacon?
God give me strength.
Who burns bacon? A man dating a vegetarian, that's who. Bobby, you got 26 minutes to make more bacon. You wanna try and not mess it up?
I'm gonna try. Next, I start working on my caramel with butter and light brown sugar. Then I add some rum, that's key for Bananas Foster. And then I add some heavy cream to it to make it more of a caramel sauce.
I'm gonna go get in somebody's head. Just over 23 minutes. Bobby, tell me about your French toast.
Okay, it's basically like a Bananas Foster kind of thing. Toasted pecans, some rum.
That sounds super fun. Now let me tell you about my day. So this morning I woke up and it's getting ready. Can you give me some eye contact?
Oh, sorry.
Let's talk about pastries. Do you want to hold hands? Let's hold hands.
Sure.
The word for the chocolate plant is actually theobromine, which means food of the gods, which is interesting because most people think it's ambrosia. No, no, no. Going back, my childhood, usual kind of early 80s childhood, 2 older brothers. So my mom and dad met, classic hippies, you know. My mom rode a motorcycle then. So Sam is my middle brother. Back to Greek mythology.
Yo, can you take your friend back?
I don't know what you're talking about, Bobby.
All right, guys, it was super great. Love you.
See you later.
I mean, he's hitting a lot of points for me. He's hitting Bananas Foster, caramel, bacon.
Now I want to get the French toast on the griddle.
Bobby's French toast sat there, soaking. It might be a little bit soggy.
He's making like it looks like a cream cheese filling.
So the cream cheese I'm gonna make as a base for the bananas on the French toast. So it's cream cheese and some cinnamon, some sugar, and some of the maple and bourbon glaze.
Oh man, under 10 minutes. Bobby, I wanna taste this loose caramel sauce. It's all right. And then a little bit of this right here, Bobby. It's all right, it's all right.
The French toast comes off the griddle, looks pretty good. And then the bacon comes out and I add the glaze. Now that the basic French toast is done, I decided to make like a crunchy fried French toast for some texture. So I make sticks of French toast, wrap it in panko, and then when it comes out, I toss it with cinnamon sugar.
His French toast might end up being punch you in the face sweet. And he doesn't have any acid or anything like that Gabriella has on her side to kind of cut through it.
So we have the griddled French toast on the plate. Then I slather some of the cream cheese mixture on top, then a whole mess of bananas, some pecans, the praline sauce over it, all of it.
10, 9, 8.
And then I take 2 of the fried French toast, put that on top with the bacon.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I mean, I think my dish looks good. You know, it's definitely gonna have a specific flavor to it, and we'll see what the judges say.
Woo.